Hello! I wanted to show you guys how to do a classic carry, which is a legs out carry. You can actually do this one from birth if your baby is comfortable with it and if it's something that you're comfortable with. So I'm gonna show you with baby Olive, who is 8 weeks old, how to do that. So the first thing to do is identify which of the shoulder panels are closest to you. So once you identify which side is closest to you, you put your baby up against the opposite shoulder. So now I can show you, this is the side that's closest to me. So you grab that side with both hands and bring it under baby's bum. So Olive is trying to put both her legs in, there we go. And then you bring it around their bum and sort of sit them into the wrap. You want to make sure at this point to bring the fabric all the way from one side to the other. So then I'm gonna sort of shift her over to the other shoulder and do the same thing with this side. So bring it under her leg, under her bum, and all the way from knee to knee. Just really gently and slowly. You can take your time while you're doing this. And give her a little bounce while she settles in. So see how this creates an M shape. So her knees, you can see from the side, her knees are actually slightly above her bum. So it creates a beautiful M shape, which is not only super comfy for baby, but it's also ergonomically correct. So it will stop them from having any hip problems or exacerbating any hip dysplasia that if your baby has that. So the third step is what I call the seat belt. So you reach under baby's bum, and sometimes depending on how big they are, you just give it a little lift, and that'll help you find the panel with the label on it under one foot and under the other and up their back. So that's their little third layer. And then I just, whatever side that they will put their head to, just leaning over so that I can lift her chin off of her chest and tucking the back of her head so she's nice and comfy. And if you want to, you can take this one close to your neck and just pull it out a little bit so you can keep a really close eye on your baby's breathing. And that right there is the classic carry.